My people, you don't turn crime now for Nigeria. If man talk to woman, we woman no answer. Hey, eh? Una need see how they disfigure this lady face. In fact, they change in face from the face where mama born to another. In fact, this one I don't even know whether to call her monster. All these people they inside bus, so now so they I don't know whether they travel, I don't know whether they go. Now so the guy una know normal level where boys they do. Boys una feel relate. Una go just see girl. Babe, what's up now? What's your name? Now wait till just happen. Where this girl just decide say okay, you know go answer. Ngwano, wahala start. Now so he start they slap and they punch and just because he no answer. This thing where they talk about now, they happen for Port Harcourt. So I don't bring the matter on aside. For now, we don't know how this face look like, and we never see that beast, that animal where they call itself boy before. Join me, make we watch the video.
Careless phone video. You know the funny part, the girl when I make a request. Let me show you my girlfriend. No sure. Come here for sure my own. My girl, they Bresso, everything gallant. Okay, till they get the point. How could they talk to all this girl?
The kind things where ladies they go through for this world, make them not just toss in Nigeria. We are suffering though. We they suffer. I don't just understand. It can't be like say na sin now. Make person just be woman. Being a woman now, na sin. No, una dey see am. Just what is your name? Or he dey talk to her. She no gree answer. Only that one. Pere. He start a beat am. Blood even they come outside. I beg, we are no longer safe. Because I don't know whether not only me they relate, I mean only me they feel what they feel, but women are no longer safe. But anyways, as this thing happen, my people, at least one better side day. I know say not be 100% because the damage has been done. But as I talk to Nana, they don't carry and go police station. Very, very important. As the matter happen, at least these people been sharp enough. They call people, they do. Now so they just carry these people. Now wow, my people see. Now what they tell on this thing? I know they like violence, but see, my pepper spray, you know they miss from my bag. Hey, are they very serious? So because now, you know who go defend us? Who go defend us? Are they sure say even this police where they don't involve this matter now? Hey, before you know now, hey, they don't release her. I beg, as you punch me too, I go do my own. You understand? So that if in case nobody end up solving this case, I know say you know go scot-free because now boys don't do the overdo. How you go just beat person like that? The annoying part, the one where even they pepper me like this, the guy even open mouth. If he open mouth, say, his girlfriend self is even hotter. Is even hotter than her. If your girlfriend is hotter than her, why you go look for person called girlfriend? Why you not just maintain your hot one like that so that we go not say okay, oh you. Una dey lucky. No, all of una don't they do this thing, una they succeed, una they very lucky, una never jam the wrong person, babe. Hey. No, una never jam her. Person like me. Hey, try am. Once, only one flash where I go flash. I know they brag. These people now, this is a joke. One flash where I go just flash person like this. Only in height, una go disappear. And una don't do the oppressors. Harassment everywhere. This one, if not be, nah. Greeting. Okay, I refuse to answer your greeting. Nah, you don't turn crime. Hey, whoa. Greeting. No, I didn't specify on the thing so that now because the thing like say never enter on her head. Greeting, no, where he refuse to answer. Too many animals everywhere. Too many animals wearing clothes, carrying bag, everywhere. I beg, it be like saying now because I know say already all of us know, sha. Nigeria we no get law again, but I beg, and they call on government. It be like saying now we go start law, new law. So that men go stop their harass women, especially in public. As in, I not just understand. Some of them don't even they get shame again. some of them, you know, understand, some before you go do some kind things, you go they check, say, are they outside though? Are they outside though? Specific see me. But now, it be like saying now the whole matter, they not even they fear again. Nobody they shame because no law. I beg, make we enforce another law. This one, are they very, very important? No, are they serious concerning this matter? Make we enforce them. And parents, many of them now go, they talk say every time anything I want to talk, they call parents. Anything I want to talk, why no go call them? These idiots now, no be mama borna. Parents, I beg, when I don't too focus on ladies. Women. Parents can focus on ladies. No carry belle enter this house. Don't go outside once it's 7. Don't do this one. Don't anything na ladies. Una go dey check ladies like say na alert una dey expect. Una dey forget boys. Wetin happen to una male children? Wetin happen to them? What happened to, don't be beating a lady. A man does not raise his hand on a woman. Don't be harassing. Wetin happen to all those ones? Now only ladies una don't too focus on now. Why now guys, they no even, nobody even they look at them, they do as they like. I beg, keep am for that prison, oh. Keep am for that prison. I no want hear one thing. You understand? Until he learn to respect women. Una go learn to respect women for this word when I come by fire, by thunder. Una go learn am. Now, which kind of nonsense be this one? I no gree answer you. Now your answer. I been at your mouth. You brush my teeth for me. Oh, lele. My people are begging now. The serious matter be this, so I don't bring a corner side so that I go no say now boys are not smiling. I don't know where this one even come from. So I beg, help me share this video. And in fact, it is very important because I don't want me to even release it. I need share and so that the government will hear this case. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, it be like so now want me we enter the same trouser because I be make her relax. Okay, I believe in our government. You understand? Very, very important. Just click on that thing so that you know they miss anything where we get for now. And if you never saw I bet my people now the matter with this was say make I bring a corner side so that I go know what they happen. Boys are not smiling. So I need help me share this video because I know what made this guy leave that place where they don't lock her up. People like that, they don't deserve to dey waka freely for road. If not, another person will come experience the same thing. You understand? And make sure say you subscribe so that you know go they miss matters like this. And if you never drop that comment for there, I bet just drop on. I know say I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.